Hi, my name is Mark Metzger. I'm an attorney in Naperville and a member of the Illinois State Bar Association. On February 27, 2020, there's a joint workshop taking place at the ISBA office in Chicago, in which ISBA and Atticus, the nation's largest lawyer coaching company, are coming together to offer the Atticus Double Your Revenue Workshop. This is a day-long event where you can earn CLE credit for developing a plan that, if you implement it, will easily more than double the revenue that you're seeing in your law firm. I did this workshop myself in April of 2013, and I was able to take the plan I left there with in the 7 months that were left in 2013 and achieve a six-figure double just in that period of time. And I've done it a couple more times since. It's a wonderful workshop because it's an opportunity for you to think about your law firm outside the context of your office, without the distractions that your office provides, and certainly a better learning opportunity than doing a webinar on your computer where you can be completely distracted by everything else that goes on in your life. You'll also hear about the single best thing I ever did for my law practice. This was the second best. The single best thing I ever did for my law practice was getting involved in group coaching that Atticus provides as well. And beginning in April of this year, ISBA and Atticus will be joining forces to allow ISBA members to get Atticus training without having to go to Florida, which is the only way to get it for the last 30 years. So you can hear more about that opportunity in February and in the upcoming mailings from ISBA. But in the meantime, I urge you to consider joining us on February 27 for the Double Your Revenue Workshop.